Some of you prefer R against Python, and you might still want to compute several powerindices. No problem, because you can actually call the powerindices function or the package, you can make use of it from within R. So go to my website, frankhuttner/powerindices on GitHub, and there you find a section how to use it from within R. In order to do so, you need to install a tool that's called Reticulate, which is supposed to be a very fat snake. And there you see getting started, and you just need to, install this package. So let me open R and install the package. And takes ages, maybe. And meanwhile, we can go back to this website, and there we basically see how to make use of it. First of all, we have to then load the library. Good. And then we're gonna import the package powerindices, and we will then refer to it as powerindices. Not working? Oh yeah, working. If not, you have to install it. And now I just show you this line. So what does it do? It is going to call powerindices as we've defined it here. And in there, it's going to find the compute CSI function. Now you might be asking yourself, why is there this L here, left and right? That's because the algorithm just works with integers. Therefore, you have to make sure that R is sending integers to the package powerindices. If you don't, if you do it like this, it's going to give you an error and tell you it needs to be integers. So let's do this again. Oof. And this time we're going to do it right. We tell the world that 39 is in L like integer, and we get the result that we want.